and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Recruitment Society workers begin fast unto death, says Chief Minister will be responsible for any tragedy. CM says don't want to give written assurance. Cabs and rent a car under scanner in Goa after cab rape case in Delhi. Goa police to verify documents of drivers and taxi owners. Women desk at police station from 19th December. Residents oppose Kandoli and Kalangut under NGPDA. Villages pass resolution. Local slams MLA for not taking them into confidence. National Safety Organization President levels corruption charges against chief inspectors of factories and boilers. Inspectors say President is frustrated, upset, was expelled earlier. And Atletico de Kolkata scrape into ISL semi-finals after 1-1 draw against FC Goa. Two Indian footballing powerhouses to battle for place in finals. Now the news in detail. Recruitment Employment Society has intensified their agitation and indefinite hunger strike from Wednesday onwards. If anything happens to us, the Chief Minister will be responsible. Workers have cleared it. Workers say during Congress government, Parrikar had motivated them to agitate. Now Parrikar's own government is denying them justice. Society workers are demanding regularization. Chief Minister Parrikar says he is open for discussion but cannot give any written assurance.
Recruitment society workers are pressing hard for regularization of their jobs. They are now ready to put their life on line for their jobs. 8 workers have begun their hunger strike from Wednesday. One of the workers said during Congress-led government, Parrikar encouraged Puti Gaonkar to lead the society workers' agitation on same demands. But now, when BJP government is in power, justice is trampled and workers are denied their rights.
तेन्ना आमकां परिकार सरकारान आमकां कॅबिनान आपयलें आनी आमकां युनियन काडून दिलो पुतू गांवकार जेन्ना आमकां काडून दिलो पळय न्हू तेन्ना आमकां एसेंब्ली चालू आसली पळय न्हू तेन्ना मोर्चा घडया म्हूण सांगलें रावले पळय न्हू लास्ट कलेक्टरान सांगलें म्हाका कितें सगल्या भुरग्यांक घेवन तूं वच नाल्यार आमी तुमकां अरेस्ट करचें पडटलें भुरग्यांक म्हणपाक लागले आमी वचपाच्या हितून येवना आमी कितें तें आतांच करुया सो आमकां तेंच्यांनी सोमतें व्हेलें आनी सालिगांव भितर अरेस्ट करून उडयलें आनी थंयसून आमकां परिकारानूय कांय स्टँड दिलो ना आनी पुतू गांवकारानूय आमकां तोंड दाखयलें ना.
सरकार जर पावना तुमचे मुखार जाल्यार तुमी
आमी हालपाना अशेंच रावतले पासून
हांगाच आसा आमी 10 दीस जाले.
घरा कडले आपयना तुमकां?
घरा कडले सगळे रडटा. म्हाजो चेडो बोर्डींग सोडून आतां अभय इस्कॉल सोडून हांगा येवन रावला. कोणाचोच आदार ना. म्हाज्या हेजेर म्हाजें घर चलता. रोखडी ड्युटी जॉयन करता. फक्त आमकां लेखी बरोवन दिवपाचें तेणें आमकां सगळ्यांक भितर हें कन्फर्म करता म्हणून. ना जाल्यार जो मरसर आमी हांगा सोडटली.
आमी कितके दीस जाले आतां सीएमाक सांगता पण अजून मेरेन आमची काकूड येवंक ना. बाय चान्स आमी हांगा थंड सुद्दां जाली जाल्यार आमी जीएमसीन वयची ना. कितें करपाचें तें हांगा करपाचें आमकां आनी आमकां कितें जालें फक्त ते सीएमाचेर येतलें आनी कोणाचेर येवचें ना.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parrikar said that he is open for discussion, but he wouldn't like to set bad precedents by giving written assurance.
When I say I mean it, त्यामुळे म्हजेर विश्वास दवरचो. लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकाराचेर दवरपाचो ना जाल्यार गोंयच्या सीएमाचेर दवरचो आनी ताणें फाल्यां वचून कामाक लागचें. जाय जाल्यार 5 जाणांनी 10 जाणांनी म्हजे कडेन चर्चेकूय येवपाक हरकत ना. जाल्यार हांवें चुकीचे पायंडे घालून चलना. हांवें जर हांकां बरोवन दिलें जाल्यार फाल्यां दुसरे खंयच्याय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा कडले म्हजे कडेन कित्याक येवचें ना. कारण ह्या राज्यांतले आमी सांगणाऱ्यांनी जे येवन फुलयतात ते उपोशणाक बसनात.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar and Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Now cabs and rent a car are under the scanner. In the wake of Delhi's Uber rape case, Goa police will verify the documents of all the drivers and owners running taxi and rent-a-car business in the state. Goa police has also launched an email ID for women to lodge complaints over the mail. All the police stations of Goa will have a women desk functional from 19th December onwards.
Individual people have been given license by the transport department. So what we'll do write to transport department with a request that kindly send the name of all the drivers whom the license has been given for the police verification. So we will conduct police verification free of cost to the department. But suppose somebody hire bike or motorcycle or car or whatever it may be. So that is for the in reference to anti-terrorist fund. Suppose कोई उसको बाइक लेकर के आप कार रेंट पे लेकर के उसमें कोई बम प्लांट कर ले, कोई छोड़ दे बीजू मार्केट में, सो देन लेटर ऑन हमें पता नहीं लगता ये गाड़ी कौन लेके गया है. सो उसको जो पहले बिफोर गिविंग ऑन हायर बेसिस वो उसका सारा का सारा उसमें फॉर्म में ले लेंगे, नाम, एड्रेस, टेलीफोन नंबर, गोवा में कौन सा होटल में रुका हुआ.
While speaking at an event organized to celebrate World Human Rights Day, IG of Goa Police Sunil Garg launched an email ID for women to mail their complaints. Victims can complain by sending email on the ID womenhelp.goapolice@nic.in. IGP Sunil Garg also informed that special women desk across all the police stations of Goa will be operational from 19th of December. The policemen will be sensitized towards women-related issues under a regular training program.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि पुलिस वाले आगे बढ़ करके अगर किसी की शिकायत एक आती है और उसका डायरेक्ट काम नहीं है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है, तो भी वो उसको हेल्प करेगा उसी समय.
Participant NGOs and activists gave their suggestions to police. Social activist Sabina Martin said there is enough laws, issue is of proper implementation. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.